Abantu for development womo eyekua womo tretre nkenkara ne emma womo kasamu edema na ene womo ne nsɛmtwerɛfo ede ahia ne nyina ne sɛ yebɛhwɛ sɛ ne emampo kasa wabonten nsɛmtwerɛfo ye kasa sɛ ne kasa na afei nso womo akumbi de amamma sɛ yedwumadie a yedie no sɛ ne kasa memma eye adwuma no yebetumi nso amamma na konwa ma womo su atumi adi dwuma sɛ ne sɛ na efata eye kantankan nsɛmtwerɛfo yekokopie honomu na yede honomu nsembo no ede ebo.
Abantu for development a non-governmental organization twasutia efre wonmu NGO na eyekua enhye abayase wonbotaye anywhere ni swade hunu kese pa baako ene se obegyina mu ede amamma ewo ankwankwa nwumaku ahodoɔ mu ebiem nso abanyuma ahodoɔ mu no se emma benya gina pen ewo mu eno nti se ye ankwankwa nwumaku ahodoɔ na sempo eye abanya adwuma na emma bete se edu ene wo hono mu a wani swade hunu ne se emma bete se num anasempo bete se enan de wose wonom etimi wosa adwumakro na mu eno ntabere bia no wonom ehwe agina honom ede memma na wo hwe sempempi no eya na emma nso betimi akon wanim enam so ama sabere wode nkyerɛkyerɛ akɔ ede ama ɔman mu ensɛmtwerɛfoɔ ɛwɔ wɔn kasa ho ɛna afei nso emra ɛwɔ ho anasempo emra ɛbɔ ho ban na eti asɛm a ɛda dwumadie no so no wɔse strengthening advocacy for the implementation of Ghana's affirmative action gender equality law 2024 the case of the media na sa dwumadie ekoso ewo Ghana International Press Center eno ewo enkramanta mu ha enam so mansɛmtwerɛfoɔ na afei nso empanifo dodo na ede wani monyam ebepie mu ewo dwumadie no ase na ewo dwumadie no ase no convener edema affirmative action law coalition Mrs. Sheila Minkan Premo ede ensema hodo bi etudwa.
Very interesting picture. It tells you that they are running the same race. If it is office work, if it is being a journalist, if it's being a lawyer, be whatever, the same thing. For the women who are here, especially those who are married, what time did you have to get up to prepare before even coming for this meeting? 4 a.m. And the men will get up at what time? Get up, they bath, they eat their breakfast, and they come. Why is it like this? Men, hello? Who has the choice to do it? Let's be realistic. We are not scoring. We have, when we talk about gender discrimination, there's something that we call gender division of labor in the home.
Affirmative action coalition Abantu we support from action aid in Asia say be training kakama media for on affirmative action gender equity acts 2024 at 1121 a passing 2024 no and rano ba ente abase ebema mpanyiye na decision eyiwe eba say mane mema ebenya impenye anase ebenya positions ewo baby I you take decisions we na benya opportunity enya kwan aye enya such positions eba aban adwumemu ya any private sector ana kenelo encourage their force on the what the essence of the law is na fi betini be pay on be faso ama Amanfo so take about embano ne nyemefa implementation and apply the first one mana yejuma. You heard today that the Gender Equity Committee has been set up. It started this work. It's working on the legislative instruments that's supposed to help with implementation, but a lot more work remains to be done. We need everyone to know about them and see what some of the gaps are. A lot of resources is needed by the ministry to ensure that the GEC does this work, to ensure that the LI is fully in place. So I would urge all of you to know about the law, know about what the grievances are, and how to educate the public about it.
Enu achi no opani ba kwa wono so efri asoya wonom ehwe emma na afenso emofra yedie so owura Isaac Mensa wono so edena no disem ebetudwa yentie ne nsem ahodo a eno so wode tudwa.
Ladies and gentlemen, the passage of the Affirmative Action Act 2024 Act 1121 marks a significant milestone in Ghana's democracy and development journey. The Act provides a legal framework to address historical and structural barriers that limit women's participation in leadership and decision-making. It also reinforces Ghana's commitment to gender equality, social justice, and inclusive governance to ensure that no one is left behind. Ladies and gentlemen, Key achievements after the passage of the Affirmative Action Act include the establishment of the Gender Equity Committee, of which our noble convener is part, along with creation of 6 different subcommittees to support and facilitate the effective implementation of the Act. This is required by the Act. The Act requires that we set up this committee and subcommittees where necessary. In addition to the committee, there is a secretariat that has been set up to service the committee and ensure the efficient performance of its functions. Furthermore, a draft legislative instrument to operationalize the Act was developed and successfully validated in November 2025, with input from key stakeholders, including the media, Parliament, and other CSOs. I am happy to inform you that the draft LI has since been submitted to the Attorney General's Department for the necessary amendments. Upon finalization, it will be submitted to Parliament for the required legislative processes.
Implement the A Act now.